In this video, we're going to go ahead and give you a quick overview of the client interface. This is again similar to the director interface. It is a web-based interface. The client interface is used mostly for non-technical users, those just looking for assets to quickly view assets, make comments on assets, be able to download, and then also email out asset links to proxies to users as well. Now within the interface here, you'll see the number of assets that I have here. Just by clicking on these assets, I'm able to view the asset itself, be able to quickly go in, add comments to this, the asset, and at any time, and be able to add my comments and so on. As you can see, it keeps track of each comment that's made. As well, I can see what history has been made of this asset, any review and approve. If I'd like to send this asset out for review and approve and send someone a quick link, I can do so as well. Also the metadata, everything associated with the metadata field following the same director interface that we showed in another video. I'm able to look at all the metadata. As well as if I'd like to just send a quick link to someone, I could actually give them a link and add the capabilities of playing this asset and then share that link. So I could actually just copy this, paste this URL into my web page or also into an email link and have somebody be able to link onto this asset and view it. I can also go ahead and hit download as well, and then eSend we'll talk about in a second. With this, I can also give it a rating, so you can actually add ratings to all your videos in your MAM system. Other ways of searching, I can actually go in and type in specific things such as video of simple words and so on, and be able to call up assets for those specific, with those words inside the metadata. I can also go in and clear that search, so we'll go ahead and clear that out. I also have an advanced search here. Similar to director, I have the ability to go in and type in exact match contains this word or these words. Search for specific areas within the metadata fields for video, audio, images, and other files, categories, as well as online and archive storage. So you have full search capabilities within the client interface. Also on the side here, you'll notice that these little pull down menus here, I can also search specifically for projects or for specifically for categories as well. So if I wanted to go in, look at production video in camera 3, I would then be able to look quickly at these assets specifically for this project and for this category. Now you'll also notice when you do add filters, you'll see this little red button here with the white arrow. Go ahead and click that and move the filter applied to the search, and so now you can see all of your assets. Within this interface, again, I can see both images, both video, images, and documents as well. And then also be able to search specifically for just videos, audio, images, and other files, as well as actual size. Now at the bottom of each of these assets, you'll see this little plus button here with a basket. If I click on each one of these, I'm actually able to go in and select these for my eBind. And what that gives me now is the ability to click on this little basket up here where I have all of these assets now ready for distribution. Now I have a couple of choices here. I can either download these assets, I can actually place an order. So within the client interface, users can actually go in and place orders or request orders for specific assets along with different formats and so on. Or I can do the eSend, which we've seen before in other videos, having the ability to go in, select multiple people to send assets out, and this basically sends out a link out to to users or customers that I'd like to send these assets out for them for viewing. So I can go in and type in a subject, a description. I can also then limit as to how long they can view this. So again, I can go up to another week or so here. Also how many times they can view that video, say 3 times. And then if they can download, forward, allow for comments, and so on. So this is a great way to package up assets for videos, images, audio files, even documents as well, to go ahead and send out to users and so on, and for marketing campaigns and various things. You can also customize this eSend by adding up your own logos here within the preview template as well as the email template, and then choose different types of layouts here for the email, and then also for the review as well. So it's up to you and how you'd like to lay this out. And again, customers receive an email that look like this, and then once they click on it, the browser opens up and the videos are able to play within their browser. The only gotcha on this one is that you have to make sure that these proxies that are being viewed are able to be accessed by those users you're sending an email out to. Within the system as well, you can go in and rearrange these assets on the viewing. So if you wanted to take this asset and make this the very first asset that they want to view, you can rearrange it, and then when you go back, save that, and do the eSend, the user will actually view this asset first, then this asset, and so on. Now we can jump back to the browser view and see each of these assets. And again, just go ahead and double click on each of these assets, be able to use eSend for an individual asset, or then also, as I just showed you, the different types of collection of assets that you can send out as well. So very, very simple and easy application to do all searching, quick searches by filtering out by project or by category or by asset type, and even by asset size. Being able to view all different assets, from documents to videos and images in between, and so on, and then be able to email out those assets and send those out. There are other things that you can do with this, by the way. You can customize it, so a different look and feel in the theme. And as you can see here, we can actually customize it with your personal logo as well. And that should do it for client. Again, this is MAM client, and if you'd like more information, please check out our website at yapku.com. Thank you.